but I don't want to go to court. Nobody wants to go to court. At least no sane person wants to go to court. When you get involved in a divorce or a custody battle, we've got multiple off-ramps from that highway before we get to court. Of course, the first off-ramp is the two of you can just decide to cancel your lawsuit against each other. That's always available. Rarely happens, but it's always available. The second thing we do is once we've gathered enough information to be able to make a settlement offer, that's what we do. We'll work with you. We'll construct a settlement offer that you're happy with. You might say, if they accept this offer, I'm done with this case. So we'll do that. So we call that informal settlement. We send that settlement offer over. They never accept it, but they don't reject all of it. And by accepting even part of it, we've thereby narrowed the things that we're arguing about. So we'll continue down that path as long as we're making progress. If at some point progress stalls, and sometimes it does, then we go to mediation. And we take that same work product, those settlement offers we were going back and forth, maybe we juice it up a little bit because now we're having to go deal with a mediator and a day of mediation. We take that same work product, juiced up a little bit, into mediation, try to settle it there. More than 90% of cases are going to settle by the time we've gone through an informal settlement process and mediation. But what if we can't settle at mediation? Now then you go to court. But by then you have narrowed the issues down to things that are so important you and your spouse or you and your co-parent just can't possibly compromise. So in those cases, going to court is worth it. Click the link in my bio to learn more about how to get out of the divorce court or custody court without going to court. Have a good day.